Okay, let's go.
Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures, the web series where I show you 10 autographs from 10 celebrities in every episode. And before we move on, I'd like to say thank you to all of you for all your feedback, all your love and support. It encourages me to make more and more programs like this, make more and more videos, and show you more and more autographs. So, before we begin our episode, thank you. This time we are talking about the top 10 famous Bollywood actors. These are the actors who have been famous and loved by Indian audiences for their roles in their hit movies. And our first artist for this episode is someone who's been famous for decades. He's been working for decades and in fact is known as the first Indian superstar. He's got a few records to his name. One of them is his 15 consecutive solo hits from 1969 to 1971, a record which is still unbroken. I am talking about Jatin Khanna, better known as Rajesh Khanna. Rajesh Khanna made his debut in 1966 with Aakhri Khat, which was also India's first official Oscar entry in 1967. During his career, he appeared in more than 168 feature films and 12 short films. He received the Filmfare Best Actor Award 3 times and the BFJA Awards for Best Actor in Hindi 4 times. In 1991, he was awarded the Filmfare Special Award for completing 26 years in the Hindi cinema, and in 2005, he was honored with the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award on the 50th anniversary of the Filmfare Awards. He was a Member of Parliament in the 10th Lok Sabha between 1992 and 1996. He has been posthumously awarded India's third highest civilian honor, the Padma Bhushan. Some of his famous movies are Baharon Ke Sapne, Aradhana, The Train, Sacha Jhoota, Safar, Anand, Kati Patang, Dushman, Andaz, Amar Prem, Apna Desh, Aapki Kasam, Mehboob, Thodi Si Bevafai, Kudrat, Dard, Avatar, and many more. Now, Rajesh Khanna was indeed India's first superstar, and I was very unlucky that I could not meet him, but I do have him in my autograph records collection, and the record I want to show you with his autograph is this one. This is the movie Prem Bandhan, directed by Ramanand Sagarji, with music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and the lyrics by Anand Bakshi. You can see it's a beautiful cover, and even inside it's a gatefold. What beautiful photograph! And it had amazing songs, and starring Rajesh Khanna ji with Rekha and Moushmi Chatterjee ji. And you can see at the back a wonderful, beautiful photograph. And also the special thing about this record is that the record is green in color. One of the few colorful records made in Indian music history. As you can see, it is a green record, not the usual black one. And you can see in the front the autograph by Rajesh Khanna ji. He has put the date also, 8th December 1978. Our next famous actor was born into the illustrious Kapoor family, and he started his career as a teenager in his father Raj Kapoor's movie Mera Naam Joker, which won him an award for the best child artist the National Film Award, in fact. And as an adult, he starred opposite Dimple Kapadia in the famous movie Bobby, which once again got him the Filmfare Award for Best Actor. Yes, I am talking about Rishi Raj Kapoor, or as we all know him, Rishi Kapoor. Rishi Kapoor was an Indian actor known for his work in Bollywood and is considered to be one of the most successful actors in the history of Bollywood. Between 1973 and 2000, Kapoor starred as the romantic lead in 92 films. Some of his notable films include Khel Khel Mein, Kabhi Kabhi, Sargam, Karz, Rafu Chakkar, Amar Akbar Anthony, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi, Prem Rog, Sagar, Naseeb, Henna, and Chandni. Kapoor successfully transitioned to character acting in the 2000s, going on to appear in several supporting roles such as in Hum Tum, Fana, Namaste London, Love Aajkal, Do Duni Char, Aurangzeb, Agnipath, Student of the Year, D-Day, Aurangzeb, Kanchi, Mulk, Houseful 2, Besharam, 102 Not Out, and the Netflix drama Rajma Chawal. He was honored with the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 2008, and his final film appearance was in The Body in 2019. Now I met Rishi Kapoor ji at a hotel in Delhi. He had come to Delhi for some work, and I managed to meet him at the hotel, and he was going up from the lobby, and I asked him that, sir, would you autograph a couple of records? And he was in a hurry. So he smiled at me and he said, no, not now. So I said, okay, no problem. But after that, I could not meet him, and unfortunately, he passed away. But the record I want to show you of Rishi Kapoor ji in my collection with the autograph is this fantastic movie, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi, with music by Rahul Dev Burman, lyrics by Majroor Sultanpuri, and wonderful, great songs you can see in the back. Every song is a hit. It looks like a compilation of hit songs rather than from one movie. And of course, it had the famous medley with Chand Mera Dil, Aaj Dil Kya Mehfil Hai, Tum Kya Jano, and Mil Gaya Humko Saathi. And then it has the Qawwali, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi. It has the hit Bachna Hai Hasino, Kya Hua Tera Wada, Ye Ladka, Hai Allah, and Humko To Yara Teri Yari. Every song is a hit song. And you can see at the back, Asha Bhosle ji has autographed above her photograph. And in the front, that is where you see 4 autographs. These autographs are of Nasir Hussain Saab and Tariq Hussain, Kajal Kiran, and of course, Rishi Kapoor. He has written cheers and signed. And our next famous actor is also a part of the illustrious Kapoor family. He is the brother of Rishi Kapoor, and he is the father of actresses Karishma and Kareena Kapoor. Yes, I am talking about Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor is an Indian film actor, producer, director, an established actor of the 1970s and a 2-time Filmfare Award nominee. After working as a child in Shri 420 and Do Ustad, Kapoor made his acting and direction debut with a leading role in the family drama Kal Aaj Aur Kal, a box office success. Subsequently, Kapoor's starring roles in the dramas Jeet, Hamrahi, and the romantic comedies Jawani Diwani, Lafange, Ponga Pandit, Bhala Manus, and the multi-starrers such as Rampur Ka Lakshman and Haath Ki Safai established him as a leading actor of Hindi cinema. His performance in the film Kasme Waade earned him critical acclaim and a Best Supporting Actor nomination at Filmfare. The Kapoor-directed blockbuster romantic drama Henna proved to be the most commercially successful film of the decade, earning him a Filmfare Award for Best Direction nomination, and it was also chosen as the Indian submission to the Oscar. In recent years, Kapoor has occasionally returned to films with his biggest commercial success, the ensemble comedy Houseful and its sequel, both of which earned over US 15 million worldwide. Although I could not meet Ranbir Kapoor ji, I do have him in my autograph records collection, and this is the LP record on which I have his autograph. You can see the name of the movie is Nikamma. Again, it has a wonderful soundtrack, great songs. The music is by R.D. Burman and the lyrics are by Gulshan Babra. And he has signed in the front saying, "Lots of love, Ranbir Kapoor." Our next Bollywood actor can be easily guessed. I'll give you 3 movie names. He is the hero of Golmaal, Chitchor, and Rajnikandha. Yes, you got it. I am talking about Amol Palekar. Amol Palekar is an Indian actor, director, and producer of Hindi and Marathi cinema who made his debut in 1971 with a Marathi film, and in 1974 he was cast as an actor by Basu Chatterjee in Rajnikandha and in the surprise low-budget hit Choti Si Baat. This led to many other such roles in middle-class comedies, mostly alternative. These were mostly directed by Chatterjee or Rishikesh Mukherjee and included films such as Golmaal and Naram Garam. He won the Filmfare Best Actor Award for Golmaal. He is noted for his image of the middle-class everyman who struggles to get a job in Golmaal, his own flat in Garunda, a girlfriend or wife in Baaton Baaton Mein, and appreciation from his boss. In 1979, he was paired with a 16-year-old Sridevi in Solva Sawan, which was her debut Hindi movie as a heroine. He turned to directing movies such as Thoda Sa Romani Ho Jaye and Paheli, which was India's first official entry for Best Foreign Film at the 2006 Oscars. To meet Amol Palekar ji, I went to Pune because that's where he stays. And it was a great meeting. I took all his records and he signed them for me. And the record I want to show all of you is this one, the movie Golmaal. This is the movie for which he won the Filmfare Best Actor Award. And as we discussed, it's a movie by Rishikesh Mukherjee, music by R.D. Burman, lyrics by Gulzar, great songs, especially the hit Aane Wala Pal by Kishore Kumar. And you can see at the back that Amolji has signed over his photograph saying love, Amol Palekar. And next, we have a star whose father is a superstar, Dharmendra, and his stepmother is another superstar, Hema Malini, and he has a 2.5 kilo ka haath. I am talking about Ajay Singh Deol, better known as Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol is an Indian film actor, director, producer, politician, and the current member of parliament from Gurdaspur of Punjab state. He is known for his work in Hindi cinema and has won 2 National Film Awards and 2 Filmfare Awards. Deol made his debut opposite fellow debutant Amrita Singh in Betab in 1982, for which he received a Filmfare Best Actor Award nomination. Subsequently, he went on to star in numerous successful films in the 1980s and 90s and is considered as one of the most successful stars of that time. He won the Filmfare Award for Best Actor and the National Film Award for Ghayal, and his portrayal of a lawyer in the film Damani Lightning in 1993 won him the National Film Award for Best Supporting Actor and the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor. Anil Sharma's Gadar, Ek Prem Katha was the highest grossing Bollywood film ever at the time of its release and garnered him a Filmfare Best Actor Award nomination. I met Sunny Deol at his studio Sunny Studios in Mumbai, and he signed all the records I had taken for him to autograph, and of course we took a photograph also, as you can see. Uh, he was in great spirits, and especially after seeing the records, he was very happy, and he signed each one of them. But the record I want to show you is this one of his debut movie Petab. This was a movie directed by Rahul Ravel with music by R.D. Burman and lyrics by Anand Bakshi. And the hit song from this movie was Jab Hum Jawan Honge. As you can see, it's a wonderful cover, especially the gatefold inside. What beautiful photographs. And he is signed in the front saying Love, Sunny Deol. Our next famous actor was in many movies in the 70s and 80s, but is now known as a director. As a director, he often makes movies with his son, and the movies have music by his brother, and he likes to name his movies using the letter K. Yes, I am talking about Rakesh Roshan. Rakesh Roshan is an Indian producer, director, screenwriter, editor, former actor in Hindi films. He is the son of Indian music director Roshan Lal Nagrath, brother of music director Rajesh Roshan, and father of film star Hrithik Roshan. He appeared in 84 films throughout the 1970s and 80s till 1989. As an actor, he was mostly known for his supporting roles in big budget films starring Sanjeev Kumar and Rajesh Khanna in the lead role. Later, he achieved fame for directing films with titles beginning with the letter K since 1987. As a filmmaker, his most notable work includes the drama Khud Garz, the revenge drama Khoon Bari Mang, the comedy drama Kishan Kanhaiya, the crime thriller Karan Arjun, the romance Kaho Na Pyar Hai, the science fiction Koi Mil Gaya, and the superhero Krish film series. Roshan won the Filmfare Award for Best Director for directing the films Kaho Na Pyar Hai and Koi Mil Gaya. I met Rakesh Roshan ji at his office in Mumbai a couple of years back. And of course, I have quite a few records of his autographed in my collection. But the record I want to show all of you is this beautiful cover, this beautiful movie, Khamosh Nigahein. It was directed by Ajay Sharma, and the lyrics and the music were by Ravi. As you can see, he is signed in the front along with Dipti Naval. So this particular record has two autographs, the hero and the heroine, and he has written best wishes, and she has written for jazzy regards, Dipti Naval. Our next actor lost his hair at a very young age, and thus his first role was playing a 65-year-old man at the age of 29. Yes, I am talking about the great actor Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher is an Indian actor and former chairman of Film and Television Institute of India. He is the recipient of the Padma Bhushan, 2 National Film Awards and 8 Filmfare Awards. He has appeared in over 500 films in several languages and many plays. He won Filmfare Award for Best Actor for his performance in Saransh. He holds the record for winning the Filmfare Award for Best Comedian 5 times in total for Ram Lakhan, Lamhe, Khel, Dar and Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. His other hits include Karma, Beta, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Tezab, Chandni, Khosla Ka Ghosla and many more. Besides working in Hindi films, he has also appeared in international films and received a BAFTA nomination for his supporting role in the British television sitcom The Boy with the Top Knot. He has held the post of chairman of the Central Board of Film Certification and the National School of Drama in India. Anupam Kher was also appointed FTII chairman in October 2017, and he also contributed many things there. I met Anupam Kherji a couple of times, both times in Delhi. Once he was here for a play, and the other time he was here for a show. And I met him in the hotel at the show, and both times he autographed the records very happily. And the record I want to show you is of one of his hit movies, and it is this one, the movie Sansar. You can see it has a beautiful cover, and once again it has a gatefold cover with beautiful photographs inside, and at the back too. And the songs were again hit songs by Kavita Krishnamurthy, Suresh Vodka, S.P. Balasubramaniam, Anuradha Podwal, and the music was by Lakshmikant Pyarelal, lyrics were by Anand Bakshi. And you can see he has signed in the front of the record, writing Love, Anupam Kher. And our journey continues with our next famous actor. Once again, I will give you 3 clues. He was the son of the great actor Balraj Sahni. Number 2, he was also known as Ajay Sahni. Number 3, he was the lead in the TV show Barrister Vinod. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about Parikshit Sahni. Parikshit Sahni, son of noted actor Balraj Sahni, is an Indian film and television actor who is most known for playing the lead in TV series Barrister Vinod, Gul Gulshan Gulfam and Gatha. His earlier film roles include movies like Deedar, Anokhi Raat, Pavitra Papi, Aansu aur Muskaan, Mili, Tapasya, Kabhi Kabhi, Kala Patthar, Desh Premi, Meri Jang and many others. Later, he has also appeared in 3 of Rajkumar Hirani's blockbuster films Lage Raho Munna Bhai, 3 Idiots and PK, along with Dulha Mil Gaya, Mujhse Dosti Karoge, Sultan and Houseful 4. He played a remarkable role in the Hindi film Pavitra Papi in 1970, which was based on a Punjabi novel by Nanak Singh, and it also featured his real-life father Balraj Sahni in a pivotal role. I met Parikshit Sahni ji when he came to Delhi for a book release, a book by him on his father. And I showed him the few records I had of his movies, and he was so happy seeing the records. He told me a little about each movie, and he autographed all of them for me. But the record I want to show you is this one. This is the movie Agni Pariksha. As you can see, it has a very colorful cover in the front, and in contrast, a very simple cover at the back. Agni Pariksha was produced by B.R. Chopra, and the music was by Salil Chaudhary with lyrics by Yogesh, and starring Parikshit Sahni, Rameshwari and Amol Palekar. You can see in the front, he has signed saying Love, Parikshit Sahni. Our next famous actor not only acted in quite a lot of films, but also had a great career in television as an actor, as a host, and as a judge in many shows. I am talking about Shekhar Suman. Shekhar Suman is an Indian film actor, anchor, producer, director, and singer who debuted as a hero with unprecedented break in films with the magnum opus Utsav opposite Rekha, produced by Shashi Kapoor and directed by Girish Karnal. He has worked in nearly 35 films, which include Manav Hatya, Nache Mayuri, Sansar, Anubhav, Tridev, Pati Parameshwar, Ranbhoomi, Chor Machaye Shor, Ek Se Badkar Ek, Bhoomi, etc. Shekhar's TV career included popular shows like Dekh Bhai Dekh, Reporter, Kabhi Idhar Kabhi Udhar, Chote Babu, Andaz, Amar Prem Aha, Vilayati Babu, Moovers and Shakers, Simply Shekhar and Carry On Shekhar. He was one of the judges of the Great Indian Laughter Challenge along with Comedy Circus and Comedy Superstar. He also participated in the 4th season of popular dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja and made his singing debut with a music album named Kuch Khwab Aise, a collection of 8 love ballads. I met Shekhar Sumanji when he came to Delhi to do a play with Dipti Naval. They were both in a play, and after the play I met him and I showed him his records and requested him to autograph them, and he did. He was very happy to see them, and the record that I want to show you is this beautiful cover of the movie Anubhav. It was one of his premier movies and it had great songs with music by Rajesh Roshan and the lyrics by Indivar. And you can see Rakesh Roshan at the back cover. But the autographs are in the front cover, and he has written to Joe, Love, Shekhar Suman. Once again, we end this show with a showstopper. An actor, a director, and a playwright. Someone who has won 4 Filmfare Awards and has been awarded the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. I am talking about Girish Karnad. Girish Karnad was an Indian actor, film director, Kannada writer, playwright, and a Rhodes Scholar who predominantly worked in South Indian cinema and Bollywood. For 4 decades, Karnad composed plays, often using history and mythology to tackle contemporary issues. He translated his plays into English and received acclaim. He was active in the world of Indian cinema, working as an actor, director, and screenwriter in Hindi and Kannada cinema, and has earned numerous awards. He served as director of the Film and Television Institute of India from 1974 to 1975 and chairman of the Sangeet Natak Academy, the National Academy of the Performing Arts, in 1988 to 1993. In television, he played the role of Swami's father in the TV series Malgudi Days, based on R.K. Narayan's books, and later directed several movies in Kannada and Hindi, including Goduli and Utsav. His other Hindi movies include Nishant, Manthan, Swami, Pukar, Iqbal, Ashaएं, Ek Tha Tiger, and its sequel Tiger Zinda Hai. Now, I could not meet Girish Karnad ji, but I sent him a letter at his Bombay address. And his son called me up, contacted me, and said, we don't live in Bombay anymore, we live in the south, but if you can send us, courier us your records, I will get them autographed by Girish ji. So I did that, and I got the autographs, and the record I want to show you is of this great movie called Utsav. This movie was made by Shashi Kapoor and had screenplay and direction by Girish Karnad. The music was by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and the lyrics were by Vasant Dev. And you can see the unconventional cover, both in the front and the back. And the great song from this movie was Man Kyun Beka Re Beka Aadhi Raat Ko. And in the front, you can see that Girish Karnad ji has autographed on the logo of the movie Utsav. And now we come to the end of this episode, and I hope you liked all the information and the autographs, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video so that I can be encouraged to make many more such videos for you. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more. You can also send any questions, suggestions or feedback to this email jazzyautographs@yahoo.com. For all my autograph collector friends, happy collecting, and for everyone else watching, hope to see you soon again in the next episode with 10 more superstars and 10 more autographs from my records collection. Till then, take care and all the best.